how to switch to a professional account on Instagram. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So all you want to do is simply go to your profile like I am right now, and then click on the top right on the three lines and click on settings. Once you're here in the settings, you want to go to account settings right over there, scroll down, and here it says switch to professional account. Now click on there, and then it says switch to a professional account. Then they will give you like a bunch of extra information, blah blah blah, so you can read all of this or just click on continue. Here you want to select what best describes you, so artist, musician, blogger. So yeah, you can select any of these. I'm just gonna select video creator, for example. So at the top, you can also select display on profile. So right under your name on your profile, it will display video creator, for example. But you can also turn it off if you would like to. Click on done. And it says it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. So let's just wait for that, and then I will get back to you. So here you can select if you want to be a creator or a business account. So a creator, like it says, is best for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencers. Business is best for retailers, local businesses, brands, and whatever. So you can choose which one you would like. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and choose creator. And then click on next. And here it says sign up for research and offers to help grow your brand. So I don't want these promotional emails, so I'm gonna click on next. Share logins using the accounts center. So setting up your account center makes it easier to log in with Facebook or Instagram. I'm going to do that later, so I'm going to click on not now. And here it says set up your profile, complete your profile, get inspired, blah, blah, blah. So you can finish all of these steps or just go out of that. And now I am now I have a professional account. So here I also have the professional dashboard and everything. So yeah. That's it. I hope this quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.